Well, table games at Twin River officially reopened to the general public on June 30th, but since then, the casino has at times seen 25 to 30% of dealers calling out of work.
And now some dealers say the system the casino is using to ensure they come to work is putting them and patrons at risk. Eyewitness News reporter Kim Kalunian joins us now with what she's learned. Kim?
Well, Mike and Shannon, the dealers that I spoke with didn't want to be identified out of fear of losing their jobs, but they say a points-based system that the casino is using to try and limit the number of times they call out is now forcing some of them to go to work sick. But the casino insists that the health and safety of their staff and patrons is their top priority. Twin Rivers casinos in Tiverton and Lincoln are now operating at a limited capacity, but just over a week after they reopened to the general public in late June, a memo went out to table game dealers. We must meet the expectations of our guests, and a 25% call-out rate is creating a condition that makes it impossible. In response, the casino is once again using a points-based system where one call-out costs an employee 2 points. Rack up 10 points and the employee could be fired, according to casino policy. Michael Sabatoni is the business manager of the Twin River Dealers Union.
Unfortunately, at this particular point, when we have 25–30% absenteeism on an already skeleton crew, and then I've got games that can't open and patrons walking out and going to other casinos, they've implemented to the letter of the contract and went back to the 2-point system.
If you had a doctor's note, you would be covered, but anything else with yourself or your spouse or your children, it would be extremely difficult, and you would definitely be in jeopardy of losing your job at a fast pace.
This table game dealer at Twin River Casino wanted us to conceal his identity. He and multiple other dealers that spoke with us on the condition of anonymity say they're worried about their jobs and their health. Do you believe the conditions inside the casino right now are safe for workers and patrons?
Absolutely not.
The casino vehemently disagrees, saying in a statement, it really can't be said often enough that the health and safety of our guests and team members is our priority. We work cooperatively to accommodate scheduling requests and to monitor and modify any of our safety protocols as necessary. Lines of communication with our dealers, their stewards, and union leadership are always open. Now, the dealers that I spoke with say they'd like to see increased social distancing between employees, and they'd like to see that point system change. I did reach out to the Department of Health, who tells me that they had inspectors at the casinos last week and found no issues, but they do plan a more comprehensive inspection in the future. Reporting live tonight, I'm Kim Kalunian, Eyewitness News.